What's up, it's your boy CT and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about lighting. Today I just ordered the GVM Great Video Maker lighting kit. Yes, this lighting kit includes two lights, two RGB panel light, pretty much the standard panel lights that you see in most vlog videos. And you know, these are colored lights. So I'll be using them in my next video. But we're gonna open them right now. I'm gonna show y'all what it do. I actually might even put them on in the same video because I already have my batteries charged up. These can be used wired or wirelessly using batteries that you have to buy separate. So yes, these are the batteries. This is how the battery looks. This is the battery for the lights. This is the charger. So it's best to order you a charger with the batteries. You can use them on and offset. Right now I'm at home, so I can plug them up. So the lights come in this nice suitcase. I actually ordered the one with the poles as well, so my poles will be in here as well. There's a lot of stuff in here. This right here, not sure what it is yet, so we're gonna open it. Okay, these are the power cords. Okay, they're a lot bigger now, so easier to find for me. So I have two lights, so I have two power cords. Then we have the stands. I like how the logo is like on everything. Gives you that real brand feeling. Oh, you see the logo on the stand as well. So we're gonna set these up right now so I can show y'all what it's like. There's a tri-stand, 3-leg stand. Next we got the lights, another logo, you know what I mean? But these lights right here, these are perfect for like home studios, indoor shoots, even photography. If you're not into using flash, this could definitely get you those color setups you be looking for. This is the battery. Gonna pop the battery in. Okay, so you have to have two batteries. Let's see. Brightness. It actually gets super bright. As y'all can see, my lighting is already better. Now I already have better lighting for my videos now that we have the light set up, and that's just one light. I'm about to set up the other one as well. I love these barn doors. Gives you a little ability to control where you want the light to go. But the thing is, the reason why I want to get both of them working is because they work off Wi-Fi. So it has an app code, and you download the app, and then you can control the color of the lights from your phone. It has different functions on it, different effect settings. Now we got two lights on. See, and this light automatically got the settings from the other light, so now my light is even. So basically, these lights are the lights I recommend all of my clients to buy. So if it's a client that I travel to frequently, I actually have a setup like this at their house already, you know, to go shoot their content. They're affordable and they're great for what we do. Now let's get into the app. All right, so yeah, my phone was dead. So I had to charge the phone so I could download the app. All right, so now that I have both lights paired to the phone, I'm gonna show you what I could really do with these lights. So now that they're both on one channel, I can go change the temperature of both lights at once, change the brightness, you know, get me real sexy in the lighting. So I can see that's a real cool feature. And then I'm gonna show you one more thing I could do. So now we got pink on this side and blue on this side. You see this type of lighting? I know a lot of people be wanting this type of lighting. And these lights it is possible for you to do it all through the app. So I can go green. And this is a little trick I used to do back when I shot music videos and stuff like that. Boom, lightning effect. Ooh, the police chasing me. Paparazzi flashing. And go to the party. It's your boy CT. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at CTGameOver. And make sure y'all follow my new media company, Media Recap Pro, at MediaRecapPro.com. And I'm out.